Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, food lovers, to an adventure in flavor. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of carnitas, a truly magical Mexican dish. It's all about slow-cooked pork, incredibly tender, then crisp to perfection. Imagine juicy, melt-in-your-mouth meat with those irresistible crunchy edges. This traditional favorite is surprisingly simple to make at home, and the results are absolutely worth every moment of your time. Let's get started on creating some incredible, authentic carnitas together. To begin our carnitas journey, gathering the right ingredients is key. We'll start with a good 3 to 4 pounds of pork shoulder, which is ideal for its fat content and tenderness. Next, round up some simple aromatics like half an onion, a few cloves of garlic, and perhaps an orange or a lime for that bright, essential citrus note. Finally, you'll need a bit of lard or cooking oil, and enough water or broth to cover the pork. These simple components are all you need to lay a delicious foundation. Now let's get cooking. Start by cutting your pork shoulder into large 2 to 3 inch chunks. Place these pieces into a sturdy, heavy-bottomed pot or a Dutch oven. Add your onion, garlic, citrus halves, and then pour in enough water or broth to just about cover the pork. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook, covered, for at least 2 to 3 hours, until the pork is absolutely fall-apart tender, almost dissolving at the touch of a fork. After the pork is beautifully tender, it's time for the magic to happen. Remove the lid from your pot and increase the heat slightly to medium. Allow the liquid to slowly evaporate, which might take another 45 minutes to an hour. As the water disappears, the pork will naturally begin to fry in its own rich, rendered fat. Keep an eye on it, stirring occasionally, until those tender chunks transform into glorious golden brown pieces with delectable crispy edges, truly making them carnitas. With your carnitas now perfectly golden and crispy, carefully remove them from the pot and let them cool just for a moment. Using 2 forks, shred the incredibly tender meat into bite-sized pieces, then toss them back into the pot with a little of that delicious rendered fat and any remaining crispy bits. Serve your glorious homemade carnitas warm in soft corn tortillas, piled high with cilantro, onion, and a squeeze of lime. Get ready to savor every single mouth-watering bite of your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.